The idea of the park come whenever Chief Baker was here in 2017. It was kind of an idea between him and my dad, which is David Thornton. So we put that into play at that time. You know, it's come through Chief Hoskin and Deputy Chief Warner. I mean, these guys have been my biggest allies, you know, to get the park done, along with Chuck Garrett. It's been a long process, and we're just glad we're here. What we have right now is 5 cabins, 74 RV sites, and amazing boat ramp that we've got set up for tournament fishing. We just look forward to people coming out and enjoying our park with us. It's been a family project, you know, not just family for blood, but you know, in C&B. It's a huge project for us because it's our first of this kind. So what we have developed is 100 acres. Altogether, with all the land in trust, is around 1,300 acres. So it's pretty expansive. We have a lot of room to grow here in a couple of years. So we'll start actually open the cabins after the 1st of May, and then the RV spots, they can be booked right now.
Growing up in Sallisaw, this place was called The Shelter. And everywhere you could see was nothing but little concrete tables over that way. I know y'all can't see, but was nothing but woods, thick woods, and a little shelter gazebo that people would gather at. But this was a place that you can come, you can go fish out there. It's not very deep, it's probably maximum 8 feet, but it looks deep. I would not have ever had the vision for this. And in my wildest dreams, I cannot imagine what this place looks like. But we have a 30-acre lake that was stocked 5 years ago. You walk the bank only and fish, but it's a catch and release. I get a lot of calls about a lot of things, but this right here was one of the most requested, questioned. When's it gonna open? When can I go down there? Do I have to do this? You know, how do we go about getting there? I said, listen, you know, after the grand opening, it's going to be open, but this is one of the most highly anticipated openings that we've had. You know, we want this to be a destination spot for tourists, but we have just created a spot that just beautified Sallisaw, Oklahoma, and Sequoyah County.